How to change a payment method on Shein. So it's really easy and simple. First things first, what you need to do is you need to choose what item you want to purchase and you want to add it to your cart and proceed to actually buy it. So if you, for example, if you come to me, okay, at the bottom right, you click on me and then you click on, wallet or gift card, you cannot, add your payment option from here. What you need to basically be doing is you want to go to your card and when you are checking out, guys, instead of your default, credit or debit card, what you're going to do is click on add another payment option and then you basically want to enter your details like your card account number, the expiration date, the CVV code, and zip code if it asks you for that as well. And it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So you're basically switching the card you're using. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications.